We have learned previously the four main properties of equalities: the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, and the division property of equality. When we were solving one-step equation, we were using one of these properties in only one step to get the answer. Today, we need to solve two-step equations. Can you enlarge the screen, please? Two-step equations. I have an equation that is 2x plus 3 equals 9. I want to solve it, means I need to isolate x. And I want to check my answer is correct or not. Let's get started. Two x plus 3 is equal to 9. Now, what is the problem? The problem is done with x, that 2 is multiplied to x and 3 is added to it. To undo this, I need to reverse the order of operation. The bin does. I need to reverse the order because I am undoing. So I will take from left to right. Sorry, from right to left. Yes, sir. Yeah. Exponents or radicals, such like powers and square roots and roots in general. Yeah.
Why are you using the deltas on 2x plus 3?
That's what I'm going to explain. Now I'm going to undo, which means I need to cancel 3 and I want to cancel 2. The relationship between 2 and x is 2 times. So to cancel it, I need to use division, yes? The relationship between 3 and x is addition. So I'm going to use subtraction. So I need to use two different operations. The subtraction and the division. Which is easier? Subtraction or division? So what comes first? According to the PIMDAS, division comes from subtraction, before subtraction. Yes? But because we are undoing, we are reversing the order, so I will be handling the subtraction before the division. Which means I'm going to subtract. I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. Okay? Why? Because this 3 will cancel the negative 3, so the remaining here is 2x equals 9 minus 3. This equation is now more simple than the original red one. Am I correct? And I spent one step to reach it. Am I correct? Now, I will still cancel whatever with x in its own side, because my aim is to isolate x eventually by the end of the solution. Yes? How can I cancel the 2? As he says, by division, yes? So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. Small 2. So I will divide it by 2 and there by 2. The 2 cancels the 2 because 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 1x is the same as x. So I got my answer. But what I need to do is to simplify the second part. That is 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And this is my answer. He says check. He says check your answer or check your solution. I will check if this is 3, if that 3 is correct or not, or is the solution of this equation or not. How?
By multiplying 2 by 3 and plus.
Yeah, so I plug the 3 instead of x. So 2 times x, that is 3, plus 3 equals 9. Because I'm substituting x with its value, I am not sure if it's really equal to 9. After I simplify, I'll be sure. If it's really equals 9, then my answer is correct. If it does not equal 9, then my answer is incorrect, and I've done some mistakes while I'm undoing or solving the problem to get this. Okay?
Okay.
So 2 times 3 is, and 3 equals 9. So 9 is the same as 9. Yes. The answer is true. Guaranteed. Yes? Easy? Okay, let's take one more example. Here we are in that. And I need to reverse the order, yeah, right order. So the first thing here, okay, the x or the variable now is written at the second part, not at the first part. Will it make any difference? No, because my aim is to isolate it, wherever is it. All right? Thank you. So here, let me solve here and check here, or vice versa. Let me solve here and check here. Now, the question is negative 5 is the same as 4 plus 3x. Who can tell me the first step?
Before I get that,
I think it's incorrect because the x have to be not this side,
Which one?
the
Doesn't make any difference. It's still the same. I can show the answer. Okay. Thank you. So I'm going to subtract 4, to add 4 or to subtract 4? I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. Yes, sir?
I have a question.
Yeah.
A question, there's only negative in the 3 and 4. How do you find out that's 5?
I can't hear you.
Listen, in 3x and 4, there's no negative. How does
There's no relative. There's no addition between 4 and x.
there is?
And 4 is positive, so I'm taking this negative as an inverse. Yeah? Makes sense? Now, the 4 and the negative 4 cancel. So 3x is equal to negative 9. To sum, yeah, negative 4, negative 5 minus 4. To satisfy the sum there, I can rewrite it as 3x is equal to negative 9. Still correct, still the same. Yeah? If you write the equal before or after. Yes? Now, let me keep it as it was written. And let's divide now
By 3.
by 3, because I need to isolate x, so I divide here by 3, and then by 3 this cancels, so x is equal
So negative 6
negative 3. Let's check the answer. So I will be writing there the same equation, negative 5. Is it equals to 4 plus 3 of x? That is negative 3.
Yes.
Okay. Negative 5. Is it equal to 4 minus 9?
Yes.
Yes, negative 5 is really equal to negative 5. So that's true, and my answer was correct. And this part called the check part. Okay. Example. Someone have any questions? Someone to assist me with from this group? Let me be here so you can see better. Can you convert this screen? Next time. Okay. It's negative 2y minus 7 equals 3. And we need to isolate y. Remember the order of operation. Says I start with parentheses, but whenever I'm solving for a certain variable, I will start with a subtraction. What I have here, I have a subtraction. So I don't need to start with subtraction because I need the inverse operation of that subtraction, which is the inverse of subtraction is addition. So I'll be doing what? Adding 7 to both sides. Thank you. Let's cancel here. So negative 2y equals what, please? Equals what? Excuse me. Equals what? MashaAllah, that's 10. Now, to get y alone, I need to divide both sides by the coefficient of y. That is, it's not 2, please.
3.
It's not 3. Where is the 3?
7.
Huh?
How come? Mister, it's
Negative 2. I need to divide by negative 2.
I said it.
You said 2.
Yes, I said
I didn't hear you, sorry. So I need to divide by negative 2 both sides. Just to cancel this negative 2. So I get y alone. And y now equals?
Negative 5.
So because the question that I answered is 3 is positive. That's why it's
Yeah. Now let's go ahead and check the answer is true or not. So negative 2y minus 7, is it really equal to 3 and the y is negative 5? Negative 2 times negative 5 is 10 and 10 minus 7
Equals 3.
is equal to 3. That's true. My answer is correct. One more example. Seven. Yes, please.
Okay, so we'll do 3, we'll do pen dot. So 3y is 1
Tell me.
So we'll add 5 by
To both sides. So round view. So by adding 5 to both sides, I will get.
you can cancel the negative because it's the same.
So 5 and negative 5 cancel.
So 10 plus 5 is 15.
That's a right to minus
15.
3 down.
Okay, equals to y.
2y.
Negative 0.
Okay, and then
Divided by 3.
no 3 please.
Negative 3.
Divide by negative 3. That's the whole coefficient because I need y, not negative y. Eventually I wanted y only, not a negative y. Yeah, and here also by 1.
Minus 3.
This leads to the cancellation of the coefficients. Am I correct?
15 negative 3 by negative 1.
Negative 5. Can I check my answer?
Yes.
You are. So negative 3 y minus 5 is it equals 10 and y is negative 5. Negative 3 times negative 5 is
15.
positive 15. So 15 minus 5 is really equal to 10. That's true when it comes to check. And my answer was correct. Thank you.